Now solving this type of equation, we call it simultaneous equation when we have x plus y equals to 3, x minus y equals to 1. So in this set of equation, two linear equation, a pair of equations, we call it simultaneous equation with two unknown, two variable x and y. So we are to solve to get the value of x and y. It's very simple. All we need to do, because all the variables x and y have the same magnitude of coefficients. What do I mean by magnitude of coefficient? The value of coefficient of x here is 1, that of x here is 1, that of y here is plus 1, meanwhile that of y here is minus 1. So the only difference is that in terms of y, their coefficients are the same in terms of size, 1, but the direction is different. This one is plus 1, this one is minus 1. So by adding the two equations, y here will eliminate minus y here. It's like having 1 and you are owing 1 and you have to balance up. So by the time you pay down 1, you'll be left with nothing. So let's add up equation 1 and 2. Then we'll be left with 2x here, because 2x, 1x plus 1x is like 1 orange plus 1 orange to give you 2 oranges. This one is like 1 pineapple and you are owing someone else 1 pineapple, you pay it up, so you'll be left with nothing. So the same addition we do on this side, the left hand side of this equation, must be done to the other side of the equation, which is the right hand side, at the same time. That is the golden rule of equation, at the same time, simultaneously. So as we are adding this one, we also add the other side. So 3 plus 1 on this side will give us 4. So we are good to go. Now we have only one x, one variable, which is now solvable directly. So 2x gives 4. It's like saying you want to buy 2 oranges and you have to pay 4 naira. So how much do you pay for one? It will be 2. So you have to divide both sides by 2. If you divide both sides by 2, on this side, 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 1 times x will be x. So we'll be left with x. On the other side, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Very simple. Now don't forget, we have to solve for y because there are two variables. So now to get the value of y, we could just use any of the two equations. You still get the same answer. So because of the limited time, let's use equation 1. Equation 1 says x plus y equals 3. So meaning we are going to substitute, we put the value of x here as 2 that we got here. So now we have 2 plus y equals 3. So how do we now get y? The disturbance is 2 here. So we now take these 2 to the other side. But there is a connectivity. What connects x to y? That is positive. So the opposite of positive in mathematics arithmetic is minus. So we are going to subtract 2 to detach this plus 2 to both sides. So if you subtract 2 from here, this one will be 0. If you subtract 2 from the other side, that will be 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So our y is equals to 1. Y, our x is equals to 2. Thank you very much.